Hello everyone, we're going into the DIY. This is the mirror. I have cleaned it. I taped this onto the back. I have already started to draw the mimics, the best of my knowledge. So I will continue to do that. I mean, you just continue to do it. You just copy it. Onto the glass. If you get off a little bit, it's fine. You use a Sharpie to do all your tracing. You do all your tracing on everything. I've got some more flowers and stuff, so I'm going to put it all the way around here. So basically, you just get all your tracing done, and then you take it off, and then you know, pretty much, you just continue to do. Then you get to set and play and color. Well, paint.
Trying to get us in a war. It says right here, Joe Biden has admitted enters war of words with China, Russia, and North Korea. We all gonna fucking die because of that son of a bitch.
Sorry if you hear the people in the background.
That's one we don't want to get into it with, is Russia.
You guys see what I'm doing? Okay, I'm going to finish this part, and then I'll come back and we'll take it off, and you can see better. Be back. Okay, now I have finished that. We're going to pull it out. I need to lay something under it so you can actually see where. Need some color. I need some color. You normally I got something in here that has color. You know, I don't. Really. Seriously. Okay. That is the copy image. Okay, now the next copy image is going to be some flowers, and I don't know. I'll have to put them like random. I'm probably going to cut that here all that, and I'm going to do it on this side as well. And then I'll have to take pieces and put it around here. So let me get this cut. Be right back. Okay, now I've got that piece cut out and put it here, and then I'm going to trace it and then put it over here, trace it, and then figure out what to do with the next. Okay, so this is going to be like part 1. Part 2, we'll start coloring with paints and stuff like that until we get it all done, because it's going to take a while, I know, to paint this. Those will be one of those, like those color pictures you do with your markers or your paints or whatever in the books. Everything's a color. So yeah, I need to shut up and get to drawing. Like with that, I'm just going to cut it off like that since we don't have anything there, and just make it look like we did. Oh Lord, she's in there. She's in one of the moods today, y'all. She's being a titty baby today. This is one of these things you concentrate on. Hmm.
Can I use these? Can I use these? These two more.
No, ma'am.
Why? Why, Nanny? I said why?
Because there's something else.
But I don't have no color for markers.
I just told you we had to go get some.
That's gonna take a long time.
No, it won't. Shut up.
But Ethan, he's gonna want a color.
No, he's not. He's a teenager. He's got other things on his mind. Okay, I'm going to finish doing what I'm doing, and I'm going to pause you, and I will be back when I finish this one. Alright, guys, that one's traced.
And actually, I'm scraping.
And then I will move over to this one and do this, and then I'll do the other sides and stuff like that. Well, if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 600 milestone right now for a giveaway. I do need some watch time. Let's see. I have a lot of stuff in the description box. There's some stuff down there to save you some money. There's some stuff down there to go check out somebody. There is another 500 subscriber giveaway for another chick. She's in the description box. It's Beauty for Ashes, or Lashes, or Ash. It's Ashes, my bad. Go check her out. Show her some love. Tell her I sent you. And until the number 2 video, peace out. Love ya.